Njoga, Eka Kironiserai Achomasi Christine, and I come from Palisa district. I am here to introduce to us, and I'm going to perform a traditional dance called Akongo. Akongo is played in very various cultural traditional dances and very many different ceremonies. One, Nese unere emusika in an area. Nese unere emorimor. Are tuani tuetiene polo na teker. Pape morimora la polo na teker. Eramio Akongoi. In the first harvest, Eramio Akongoi. During the send-off of a lady or a girl to her marriage, Eramio Akongoi. So Akongo is one of the traditional dances that we have in the Iteso culture. Thank you.
Watu solo wa Palisa. Yasilo sarama kina kosholo keinono. Keinono.
Ewa.
Iteso.
Idu wado.